I thought you want to go.
Short unboxing ng Bandemon muffler only. It comes with this titanium bracket and with titanium wire. So request sa client na siya na mag-weld ng bracket. So kasama siyang yan, ganyan na itsura niya. So sila na magwe-welding dyan. Ito, ayan. So this is a muffler only na handmade titanium with blue burnt sa kabilang end. So titanium blue siya.
Shower.
So ayan. Okay, meron kang ano? Beads dyan? Meron kang beads? Pero nga. Kahit, oh, kahit ano. Kahit anong beads. Gusto nyo umorder, pay nyo lang ako. Ano to, canister only, pwedeng canister only, pwedeng full system. Medyo malaki to. Ito size, actual size niyan. Yan, yan ang actual size niya. Yeah, as you can see, yung 20 peso bill. So, ayan. Ganyan ang size comparison niya. Ayan. Pakita yung ano ko metro ko. So ayan, it's like about tatlong magkakaduktong na paper bills. Ganun siya kahaba. And of course it's a 51mm, can be customized to 60, 61, 63, 65 mm, up to 73, 75. Yan, pwede from 51 to 75 mm. This inlet size can be customized. Yan, pay nyo na ako, gusto nyo umorder. Pwede siya as universal, pwede siya as slip-on or full system to any big bike model. Again, it's a handmade titanium, real titanium yan na nakapolish lang. Kasama yan dito, yan kasama niya.